So most probably, wala na ito yan ako. Because these native ones or local ones here are brought down from generation to generation, especially ang mga other than formal education, nakuha nila yun, na-acquire nila to oral tradition niya. So whether nga not necessarily ispilahan nila siya, but because basically oral siya. So halin sa mga lolo kog mga kabaang ginikanan, pagod sa mga apuhan, kada amo pa lang na matudlo nila nga kanta, bigla siguro iba sila naka-eskwela man, but on the other hand, mas fun, mas how they call this, mas stronger man ang influence ng mga forebears, no? Great grandparents, mga grandparents, so medyo makasila na kanta. But later on, in mga Christian songs naman niya, part of evangelization, part of the missionary work, whether it is Catholic or other Christian groups, is amo naman ang opportunity for interaction, for social, for interaction, for socialization, no? So amo na kung nga kasi nga mas laban pa ganito mga Christian songs nila na kanta kaya part ini nga
Doon hindi na nila sir ma-appreciate ang ba nila tungkol sa hiligay ng lullaby. Ana na iya, wala na iya. Amo na yung ila impression niya.
But it requires naman certain empowerment naman, you know that, no? On the part of the how do you call this, of the community to be able to appreciate and preserve this. It requires that kind of basic going back to the roots, may certain radical one balanga. And this is one way of recovering the past. Not because you are going back to the archaic days or to the you are at, how do you call that, kumbaga do atavistic na attitude pala, but because that is one way of telling the people, of telling your community and even of the present or even the future generation of the importance of knowing first yourself or your people in order therefore to understand these changes. Because ang idea is that how can you participate in the dynamics of modern changes if you do not know exactly or clearly your own identity as a community, as people, as an ethnic group, as an ethno-linguistic group. Di ba la? Sama na ko nga in the process of empowering people is to go back to this. Singing and the like means we understand kung ano ang aton pan as Filipinos or particularly as Ilonggos or as Visayans, nga mas noted ini sa Visayas ay iyang pan. Ang ini nga mga lullabies and related forms of kaya mo na may mga pre-colonial elemental na nakasurvive sa during colonial period and in the less siguro intrusive mga areas like mga local rural communities tidira pa mga tidbits. I do not know kung say for example wala ang kwento ko na ba ang iya pala corrido on kuan
Corrido
bala sa mga